This video is about ethical issues in marketing. Ethics in marketing. Ethics are a collection of principles of right conduct that shape decisions people or organization make. Practicing ethics in marketing means deliberately applying standards of fairness or moral rights and wrongs to marketing decision making, behavior, and practice in the organization. Marketing means all the activities a company does mainly to promote or sell the products to their customers. This marketing involves several activities such as planning, organizing, directing, controlling, decision making, etc. Using ethics in all these activities always leads the company in a right direction. Applying ethics to marketing activity is always considered as a challenge. That is because marketing involves several ethical issues. In this video, let's learn about different ethical issues that are found in marketing. Types of ethical issues in marketing. Ethical issues in product, ethical issues in pricing, ethical issues in promotion or advertising. Ethical issues in product. Here product means the commodity that is offered by the company for sale. We can find several issues related to product. Let's learn one by one. First one, quality of the product. Selling and promoting low quality product is a major issue in ethics in marketing. Here customers prefer to buy superior quality product, but there are companies who prefer to sell lower quality product mainly for making profit. Here they are using misleading information to make the customer purchase these product. It is considered as one of the biggest ethical issue in marketing that is related to product. Safety of the product. People sell harmful products. For example, cheap wine targeted to alcoholics and homeless people for profit. Customer safety is the responsibility of every company. Companies should sell those products which are good for the customer, but most of the companies, just to make profit, prefer to sell harmful product to their customers. Cheap wine can be considered as one of the example which are sold mainly for profits to those people who are alcoholics and even homeless. It is illegal. Packaging. There are many cases in which marketers use pictures in packaging that do not represent the actual product. Packages are made mainly for protecting the product. They can use pictures to attract the customers in packaging, but here the companies are using certain pictures which are not at all related to their product. It is not ethical. Labeling. Marketers can use label information to mislead consumers by providing false information to exaggerate the attributes of their product. Some marketers label their products as environmentally friendly even though the products don't actually have environmentally friendly attributes. Consumers prefer to buy environmentally friendly products. This is the main reason companies prefer to put environmentally friendly in their labels even though the product does not really have any environmental friendly features. At the same time, the companies are also writing exaggerated information in their labels mainly to attract the customers towards their products. These are some of the ethical issues which are found in products. Ethical issues in pricing. Here price is the amount of money given for the product. We can find several ethical issues related to pricing. First one, price fixing. When two or more companies come together to agree on a price they will charge for a product, they are considered to be price fixing. Here, the prices are fixed on a mutual understanding basis. It can be considered as an ethical issue because the company may prefer to fix very high prices for their products since the prices are fixed on a mutual understanding basis. Price discrimination. Price discrimination occurs when a seller charges different prices to two or more buyers for the same product. Here the products are same, customers are different, offering the same products to different customers at a different prices, giving some people very high, giving the product to some people at a very high price and offering the same product to some other at a cheaper price. That is called price discrimination. It is not right. Predatory pricing. When a company enters a product market and charges extremely low prices with the intention of driving competitors out of the market or out of the business, and then increase the prices once the competitors have been put out of business, it is considered as predatory pricing. Here, the companies are charging extremely low prices at the beginning just to drive the competitors out of the market. Here, when the company offers low prices for the commodity, automatically the consumers gets attracted towards the company. It leads the competitors out of the market. Once the competitors are left, these companies start to raise the prices of their commodity slowly. It is not right. Price skimming. A pricing strategy in which marketer sets the relatively high price for a product or sell at first, then lower the price over the time. It is just opposite to predatory pricing. Here the prices are charged at a very high price in the beginning, then slowly they start to reduce the price over the time. It is also unethical because they are charging too high prices for the commodity in the initial phase of the product. These are the different ethical issues related to pricing. Ethical issues in advertising or promotion. Here promotion means publicizing the product. It is done mainly to attract the customers towards their product. We can find several ethical issues in advertisements. They are as follows. Surrogate advertising. In certain places, there are laws against advertising products like cigarettes and alcohol. Surrogate advertising finds way to remind consumers of those products without referring them directly. It can be considered as indirect advertising. Here, the advertisements are not given directly about the product, simply they are trying to remind the customers about their product. That is called surrogate advertising. It is more related to the products which are banned from giving advertisements. Exaggerations. Some advertisers use false claims about a product quality or popularity. A slogan like "Get coverage everywhere on earth" advertise features that cannot be delivered. Here the company is simply exaggerating the product attribute. Saying "Get coverage everywhere on earth" is simply can be considered as a lie. Here they are simply exaggerating the product features. Puffery. When an advertiser relies on subjective rather than objective claims, they are puffing up their products. Statements like "best tasting coffee" cannot be confirmed objectively. Here objective means facts, subjective means feelings. Feelings cannot be measured. This is the reason most of the companies prefer to give subjective statements rather than objective statements. It is called puffery and one of the ethical issue. Unverified claims. Many products promise us to deliver results without providing any scientific evidence. Shampoo commercials that promises stronger, shinier hair do so without telling consumers why or how. There are companies who prefer to give advertisements without having any scientific evidences. These unscientific advertisements are coming under unverified claims. Stereotyping women. Women in advertising have often been portrayed as sex objects or domestic servants. This type of advertising traffics in negative stereotypes and contributes to a sexist culture. There are advertisements who use women in a negative way, and it gives bad impression or image to these women, and it can create a very negative impact on the society. False brand comparisons. Anytime a company makes false or misleading claims about their competitors, they are spreading misinformation. There are companies who prefer to compare their product in their advertisement. While doing so, they always try to picturize their product as superior ones. In this process, they always give misleading claims about competitors' product. It is unethical practice. Children in advertising. Advertisers use children not only to promote products especially for children, but also use in those ads where they are not required. Exploiting their innocence is one of the most common unethical marketing practices. If the product they are advertising is related to children, using kids is acceptable, but there are most of the advertisement who use children even though the product is not related to children. It is not right because they are simply exploiting the innocence of the kids just for attracting the customers towards their company. Therefore, it can be considered as unethical unethical practice or ethical issue. These are some of the ethical issues we can find in marketing. They are ethical issues in product, that is selling lower quality product or selling harmful product, showing unrelated pictures in packages or giving exaggerated information in labels. Unethical practices in pricing, price fixing very high prices for the products. Price discrimination, offering different products, offering same product to different people at different prices. Predatory pricing, charging lower price in the beginning then increasing it slowly. Price skimming, charging very high price in the beginning and reducing it slowly. Ethical issues in advertising, surrogate advertising, giving advertisements of products like cigarette or alcohol indirectly, exaggerating, giving too exaggerated information regarding the products. Puffery, simply giving subjective statements, unverified claims, using unscientific statements in their advertisements. Stereotyping women, giving negative image to the women. False brand comparison, comparing the brand with the competitors and picturizing their brand as a low quality ones. Children's in advertising, using children's in advertising which doesn't need them. These are something about ethical issues in advertising or marketing. Thank you.